Hey there, welcome to Eroverse. Are you new to crypto or want to know how to get involved in the amazing games and features available on the Eroverse platform? Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process. To begin with, you will need a wallet if you don't have one already. I would suggest using Metamask. Firstly, we need to go to Metamask's official website. Once there, click Download Now. On this page you will see the different devices you can download Metamask for. In this case, we are using Google Chrome. Click Install Metamask for Chrome. Next, click Add to Chrome. Then, click Add Extension. Welcome to Metamask. Let's click Get Started. Here you will see two options. We want to start a new wallet from scratch, with no existing data. To do that we will click Create a Wallet. Next it will ask you to create a password. This is used to gain access to your wallet. These next pages are very important, regarding the security of your wallet. If you are not familiar with Metamask or crypto wallets in general, I would highly recommend watching this short video. Also make sure to read the points on the right hand side, the last one is crucial. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. This next page will show you what your unique 12-word secret recovery phrase is. Again, read all of the information regarding security. Click on the box to reveal the words, you will need them next. This page will ask you to confirm your secret recovery phrase. Congratulations! You have now set up your own Metamask wallet. Now you are on the Metamask home screen. I would recommend pinning Metamask to your browser. By clicking on extensions in the top right like so, and then pin. It makes it much more accessible going forwards. The Metamask icon will appear right next to it.